Hi guys, today I want to talk about moving WordPress from HTTP to HTTPS. And the way we start this process is first to create an SSL certificate for the domain that you are moving. And to do this, you go to your cPanel account, log in, scroll down to the security area and click the Let's Encrypt button. That will take you through to this page, which lists your current domains which have security certificates, and then further down the page it lists under a drop-down list domains which do not yet have a SSL certificate. So you can select the domain you want to secure from the drop-down list, and then you can choose your certificate and click install, and the hosting company will install the certificate for that domain. I'm not going to do that because these are all expired domains and I'm not quite sure what would happen. So we will go across to WordPress, where we need to go to the settings page and select general. And in the general settings page we need to look at the two site addresses, the WordPress address and the site address. And when before your site is on SSL, the address there will just be http://www.wealthydragon.com. So all you need to do is type in S in both boxes to make them HTTPS www.wealthydragon.com. Then you scroll down and save changes. And when you save changes, it is quite possible that the system will log you out. So you then just need to log back in again and go back to the general settings page and make sure that the S has been saved. Sometimes it isn't, and so then you may need to type the S into the system again. So the next thing we need to do is edit the htaccess file by inserting this redirect. The htaccess file on the server, this redirect will direct anybody who types in the HTTP address to the HTTPS address. And the next file we need to edit on the server is the wp config file by adding this little snippet here, which makes sure that anybody who goes to the login page goes to the HTTPS address and not the HTTP address. Having done that, we need now to change all the internal links within the site to make sure that all internal links are using the HTTP address. And the best way to do this is with a database editor or a database admin tool. I'm using Backup Buddy, so I have gone to the Server Tools page and I'm on the Database tab. And once I get there, then I need to scroll down to the bottom of the page where I can do a mass text change. So here we are. I'm in the area where I can do a mass text replacement, and I've already typed in the entry that I want to replace and what I want to replace it with. Basically, I'm replacing the HTTP address with the HTTPS address, and you need to type in your full domain there. Having done that, I go and I click Begin Replacement, which I will not do today because this site is already on HTTPS. So once that's done, you need to go back to the front of the site, to the logout, I should say, to the front of the site and go to the login page. And at the login page, you need to make sure that we are on the secure connection. So that will be indicated up there by the little green padlock. I think on Chrome it's a black padlock, but anyway, all of the browsers have some indicator there. And also HTTPS appears in the address bar. So once we are happy that the login page is using the secure connection, we then need to go to the front of the site and make the same checks. Is the little green padlock or the secure notice there, and is it there on all pages? Now occasionally some of the links may not have been updated, and in which case there will be a little warning up there. Chrome may say not secure, on Firefox there's a little yellow warning. So we need to look at the source code and find the link that is not using HTTPS. To do that, we right click and select View Page Source, and when we get to the page source page, we can then do a search to find the link which says http://www.wealthydragon.com. That will tell us which page we have to go to in the site and which link we have to update. So we go back into the site, go to the relevant page, and update the link to make sure it's doing HTTPS, and then your little warning will disappear and all will be well. So that's how we move WordPress from HTTP to HTTPS. And if you have any questions, please leave them below.